Alright, so we have here a tilapia with some green banana, some jacket potato slash Irish potato if you're Jamaican, some okra, and just other seasoning. Yeah, this tilapia was very nice. That was my first time trying it that way, putting all them stuff inside, like the banana, the potato. Well, you know, the okra standard thing for fish, but yeah, that was my first time trying it like that with the banana and the potato. It turned out very well. So right now that's my new style whenever I cook tilapia. But like the seasoning, I just seasoning with some ginger, garlic, onion, I think some scallion, some pimento, thyme, and a scotch bonnet pepper. Blend everything and then I season it up with some all-purpose season as well, and just some butter. Put everything inside the oven, and then yeah, wrap it up in some baking paper inside the file paper so it don't stick. And that was it. Turned out very well. Yeah. So as I say, whenever I'm doing